What up? My name is Amira, and this is a video of photos mostly made on my Nikon 28 Ti. I'm also going to throw in some iPhone photos and also probably one Polaroid photo that I really like. I have been a photographer for 10 years, and the majority of that time I shot digitally, but about a year and 8 months ago I started shooting film. So ever since then I've always had a 35mm camera that I bring around with me. I used to bring one around with me every day. The first probably like 8-9 months shooting film, I was like always, I had like my Olympus Mew with me all the time, and now I don't always have a 35mm camera with me, but especially on like really special outings or trips, I try to bring one with me, and now that is the Nikon 28 Ti, although I still have the Olympus Mew. So yes, that's just a little background. I hope you enjoy the photos, and I hope you're having a good time in your life, wherever you are with whatever you're doing. Wish you a lot of peace.